Let's cross the street.
Hi guys, today we're going to Subway. Today we're going to Subway to get some food. Okay, now we're just going into the building.
Hello. Okay, what are we ordering?
Okay, so I am ordering the pastrami sandwich with mayonnaise.
Can we have salami and mayonnaise on it? But that's it.
Salami?
Yep.
Now we're gonna pay.
We'll eat it at home. All right, we're back.
We're back at home.
Go.
Ready? Wow! Napkins! Yay! We have napkins! That's cool. We got Lay's chips.
Okay.
Here's my salami sandwich. 6 inch. Okay. We're back with my sister again.
Okay, you ready to eat?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, let's do a wrap.
Oh.
Okay, what do you rate it?
10.
Me too.
Shorty my she been demon, late night back shots, doing the healing. Like, do you know what I could do for you, girl? I could take this whole shit.
Cheers.
A few moments later.
Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie.
Thank you, 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 thank you.
All right, that's our Subway video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for
Watching.
watching.